10,000 subscribers? 2 years ago, I had yet to crest 1,000 subscribers. A year ago, just as the pandemic broke, it had grown to approximately 3,000, which was great. But now, just a year later, JC's Riptrack crested the 10,000 subscriber mark just last week. I'm almost at a loss for words. Almost. Thank you to everyone for your support and your interest, whether you've been a subscriber since before the official launch of this channel, or if you just hit that subscribe button now. This past year has been an extraordinarily busy one for me in real life, including a long-distance move. I have several more start-to-finish weathering projects on the way, including a pair of locomotive videos that I hope to have out soon, but I have a few other things that I'm working on that you also may like. One of them is a fresh look at basic techniques that you might find useful. I'm also going to be moving into some scenery methods to share with you. While I've focused mostly on weathering or on my From Loop to Layout series, I have experience with scenery that I would like to share. I actually need a display piece to better frame the weathering work that I do. In fact, I need one in both HO scale and for my own N scale. These will be scenery test beds for the kind of work that I do as I expand my layout in my new layout room over the next little while. Lastly, hitting 10,000 subscribers without doing something to market seems rather silly. So here's a little teaser. This channel got its start because of a weathering contest, and it seems only fair that I should actually host one. So with permission from Ron's Trains and Things, I will be hosting the next Down and Dirty Freight Car Weathering Contest. So think about what you'd like to do, brush up on your techniques, get ready to try some new things, and stay tuned for more updates coming in mid-April. And so in the meantime, thank you, and good luck, and may you keep on track.